31 Unbelievable Facts About Ocean. Number 1. 70% of the oxygen we breathe is produced by the oceans. Number 2. If the Earth had no atmosphere, the oceans would evaporate. Number 3. The Atlantic Ocean is big enough to let every person in the US have their own cubic kilometer in it. Number 4. The world's oceans contain nearly 20 million tons of gold. Number 5. If we could capture just 0.1% of the ocean's kinetic energy caused by tides, we could satisfy the current global energy demand 5 times over. Number 6. 95% of the underwater world remains unexplored. Number 7. The average ocean depth is 2.5 miles or 4 kilometers. Number 8. It's okay to pee in the ocean since 95% of urine is water and the nitrogen in urea is used to feed ocean plants. Number 9. There's up to $60 billion in sunken treasure sitting at the bottom of the world's oceans. Number 10. The US Army admitted it secretly dumped 64 million pounds of nerve and mustard gas agents into the ocean from 1944 to 1970. Along with 400,000 chemical-filled bombs and more than 500 tons of radioactive waste. Number 11. 10,000 shipping containers are lost at sea each year, and 10% of those hold toxic chemicals which may leak into the ocean. Number 12. There's an ongoing decrease in the pH of the Earth's oceans, they are 30% more acidic than in 1751. Number 13. Oceans cover 71% of the Earth's surface. Number 14. A man called Harold Hackett has put over 4,800 messages in bottles into the ocean, and has gotten 3,000 responses back. Number 15. 100% of the Earth's ocean floor has been mapped to a maximum resolution of around 5 kilometers. Number 16. Before compasses, Vikings navigated the ocean using birds, whales, celestial bodies, chants and rhymes. Number 17. In 3 decades, the world's oceans will contain more discarded plastic than fish when measured by weight, researchers say. Number 18. Europe and Africa are only separated by 14.3 kilometers or 8.9 miles of ocean, and there are talks of creating the longest bridge ever. Number 19. About 90% of the world's earthquakes occur along the Ring of Fire, an area in the basin of the Pacific Ocean. Number 20. Jellyfish are the ocean's most efficient swimmers, consuming 48% less oxygen than any other swimming animal. Number 21. Australia uses the motion of the ocean to generate zero-emission electricity and desalinate water simultaneously. Number 22. The Bermuda Triangle has as many ship and plane disappearances as any other region of the ocean. Number 23. The world's largest underwater volcano, Temu Massif, is the size of New Mexico. Number 24. There's a sea organ built on the coast of Croatia that plays music like an organ, when waves crash in and out of it. Number 25. 40% of the world oceans are heavily affected by human activities, including pollution, depleted fisheries, and loss of coastal habitats. Number 26. 29,000 rubber ducks were lost at sea in 1992, and are still being found, revolutionizing our knowledge of ocean science. Number 27. There is a reservoir of water 3 times the volume of all the oceans deep beneath the Earth's surface. Number 28. An estimated 50 to 80% of all life on Earth is found under the ocean surface, and the oceans contain 99% of the living space on the planet. Number 29. 75% of the world's active and dormant volcanoes are in the Ring of Fire, an area in the basin of the Pacific Ocean. Number 30. 14 billion pounds or 6 billion kilograms of garbage are dumped into the ocean every year. Most of it is plastic. Number 31. In Newfoundland, Canada, the Atlantic Ocean sometimes freezes, so people play hockey on it. Bonus fact. Number 32. At the ocean's deepest point, the water pressure is the equivalent of having 50 jumbo jets piled on top of you.